Hey there! Quick and simple, just like always. Let's turn any text or logo into a cool hologram effect. Once you've got your composition ready, add a solid layer and apply the Fractal Noise effect. You'll find it under Effects and Presets. Now let's tweak a few settings. Noise type, spline, contrast, 300, brightness, -2, complexity, 10. Open the transform options and increase the scale to around 250. We want the effect to keep moving, so in evolution, add this simple expression, time times 150. Next, let's add your text, or maybe a logo. Pre-compose this layer, so later you can easily swap the text or replace the logo. Now drag the parent pick web from the Fractal Noise layer onto your text composition. That'll create a track matte. Then pre-compose these two layers together. On this new comp, apply the CC Ball action effect and set the following. Grid spacing 3, ball size around 35, shading 0. Head over to rotation and animate it on the Y-axis. Create keyframes. At the start, the rotation is 0, and at 2 seconds, it makes a full spin. Go back to the start of the timeline and in Twist property, choose Red. Set the first keyframe to 10 degrees. At around 1 second, halfway through the spin, increase it to about 250 degrees. Then bring it back down to 10 at the end. To change the color of your text, add the tritone effect and pick any colors you like. To make the drop shine a bit more, add a glow effect. Set the radius to 1. The animation is almost done. You can always tweak the colors to get a better look. By pressing U, I reveal all keyframes, and with F9 I add Easy Ease to make the animation smoother. You can also move the rotation keyframe a bit so the text starts spinning a little later. If you want to add a little more life to it, you can make the text change during the rotation. Just go inside the text composition and switch it to a different one after about a second. Finally, add a camera. Set it to 2-node camera and use the tools on top to position your text nicely. You can grab the template on my Patronite. That's it for today. See you in the next one.